Hey y'all, it's Beth with Phastek.com. And today we're gonna be replacing our 2010 Camaro SS vinyl overlays. So you can see our SS emblem on our 2010 is chipping a little bit, so we thought it would be a good time to replace them with these Phastek vinyl overlays. These Phastek vinyl SS overlays are gonna fit any Camaro SS from 2010 to 2022. And all you need for this install is rubbing alcohol and our vinyl overlays. So let's get started. First, you're gonna clean the area with some rubbing alcohol really well. Cleaning this area really helps to make sure that your vinyl sticks. So anytime you're gonna put vinyl on your cars, you're gonna wanna clean it very well. Okay? Next, you're gonna put the overlays on. You just peel them off. And then place them in place. Great, that was super easy. We're gonna finish up with the SS emblems in the back, and we'll see you later. Make sure and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.